Hello everyone, today we will start a new chapter, that is finite and non-finite verbs, and these type of verbs are found in sentences. What is the difference between finite and non-finite verbs? We will come across it, and what are the difference and why is it used. So we will come to know in this chapter. So what is a finite verb? So finite verbs used to change its form according to the tense or the number or the person of the subject of the sentences. For example, she likes fried chicken. So likes is in completely agreement with the third person singular, that is she. Similarly, you can see they are boring neighbors. Are is the finite verb and it is completely in agreement with the plural subject, that is they. So this, and in a particular sentences there used to be at least one finite verb is present, okay, and it is even the tense of these substances also determines the form of the verb in the case of finite verb, okay. So but in case of non-finite verb, they do not change their form on the basis of the tense or the number and the person of these subjects. For example, you can see my legs hurt a lot, their legs hurt a lot. So they are not dependent on the subject. You can see my, it is in this legs is the non-finite verb, and you can see it is not dependent on the subject of the sentence. So similarly, you can see in this sentences, she likes fried chicken. The fried and the boring, these are non-finite verbs and it is not dependent on the I would say dependent on the subject, okay. Even the tense also, they are not dependent. So these are non-finite, and there are three kinds of verbs that are used, non-finite verbs. Those are infinitive, gerund and participle. So what is a infinitive? So infinitive is used as a complement of the verb, and how to it consists of to plus base form of the verb. For example, you can see we must learn to keep quiet. So it is complementing the verb. To plus the keep is in the base form of the verb. So similarly, you can see she told me to work hard. So to work, to plus work is in the base form of the verb. So these are to keep, to work, these are infinitive verb, okay. So sometimes this infinitive verb may be in the subject place also. So like for example, you can see to err is human, okay. So what is a gerund? Gerund are actually it consists of the base form of the verb plus ing, and this it occur actually in subject and in case of object also. You can see I don't like cheating, working is good for health, cheating. So cheat is a base form of the verb plus ing, and it is in what position? It is in the object position. In case of this sentence, walking is good for health, walking is in the subject form of the verb. Similarly, you can say smoking is injurious to health. So smoking is a kind of gerund and it's a non-finite verb, and smoking, I would say that smoking is a gerund, and that is in what position? It is in the subject position. So that is an example. So what is a participle? So it consists of what? It is consists of verb plus d, ed, en or t to form the past participle. But in case of present participle, they used to use the base form of the verb plus ing to form the present participle form of the verb. So you can say dried grapes are called raisins. So dried is an infinitive verb and it is participle, okay. Like this one, burnt toast, nobody ate the burnt toast. So similarly, you can see this one, Justin invented talking robot. So it is in present participle, this verb talking. So this way, these are three types of, that is infinitive, For example, there is one more, in the first sentences you can see, she likes fried chicken. The fried is a participle. This even fried and even boring is in the I would say this is a non finite verb, and it is a what kind of verb? It is participle, boring and fried. Okay, so these are the three kinds of non-infinite verb, and you have learned about the finite verb. In the next class we will try to solve the questions. So with this I like to conclude. Thank you for watching. Thank you.